Hi guys, umpisa na naman ang trabaho. It's a Sunday, 7:54 PM. Aantay ng service. Yan purma namin, si Reynold. Aantay namin yung service namin. What's up, yo?
Yo! What's up? Mga kapatcher.
Mga katrabaho namin yan.
Ang
Nagwawala. Joke lang.
Saan po ba?
Anong oras na slow ka? Nag-message ka sa kuya, nag-reply ako pagkamata ko. Baka nag-message ka.
Ano kung sigarilyo? Luwas baga ako kayo dyan.
Luwas ka lang kasi ako.
Ay, sana ko nilagay tayo. Luwas na sa pagbuhuran. Mabay, yung taro mo sa pagbuhuran.
Wala pa yung service papunta ng barn. Pulse na, nagsisilaglagan na yung mga dahon. Yan, sa taas. Sino? Marvin. Panggabi yung trabaho namin. Masyado pa silang seryoso. Unang pasok pa lang ng Lunes.
Vlog.
Magay ka sa vlog ko.
Yeah.
Dito na kami guys sa trabaho.
Alright.
Mag-start na kami ng trabaho.
Yung your
First day,
pants and
Sunday evening.
underwear.
That's it. You want you to take a shower over there too. You can get a shower.
Make you run through a shower full of...
Cold one.
Kaya
Cold
kung
one.
kausapin ko to,
Maybe I go talk to him and say, okay, right, the guys are ready for a shower.
titestingin ko lang kung marunong tayo
I hear
mag-English.
like three guys here.
Right, yan. O yan na. Alam ko.
Ano pali?
Ah.
And on the bed, once you're in the barn, you have to stay in the barn.
You can't come back to the van, so
Really?
What?
Yeah, because you're already in the van, you're
Once you're
disinfected.
in that barn,
You
you,
come back
can't
out,
come back
You're
out.
going to do the same thing again.
Yeah, you can't come back out. So
Take the
you,
cover all off.
That's
put a
it?
new one. Shit. Make sure you take your
Stricto
bottom
kasi
with you,
yung
okay? I don't know if you
sa
need
loob.
bottom or not. Maybe the
Kailangan
bottom is
mag-suit.
Ah,
Hindi pa pinapapasok.
you know, like, put it in the bag inside, right? Put it in the bag inside?
probably not. No,
No, Dad, what the
No
hell?
bag.
Guys gonna be stay hungry. Might as well
nothing
gonna
from
be.
the nothing from the van.
Maybe they have.
They don't even want jackets.
Yeah, because
What?
because we've been to
No.
other farms.
That's
Because the
why.
bands have been to other farms.
I
right?
know, like, but
They're worried
too
about,
much. That's too
they're
much.
worried about everything.
Well, they come from the home, do the same thing. So what's the difference?
Yeah.
Right?
So go and get ready and get suited up, guys.
Okay.
Maybe
Is there a truck back there already? Or?
Yeah. Rob's already here.
Pagkain natin.
Of course not.
Grabe naman yan.
He's gone on the job. I thought we were the first one coming to show up here. Then I came to the back. I saw Dr. Rob sitting there.
I saw Kirk tire bars as soon as I came in here. I was like,
Oh,
Nag-uusap-usap sila.
nice.
come on, John, get inside.
Oh yeah.
Jack it out, buddy.